Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm just gonna do a little quick summary. I got this from Poundland for £1. It's in gold, this picture frame. And what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm gonna be getting some butterflies, these wooden butterflies. And then I'm going to be putting them on it. And basically I'm going to be putting them together and then be doing it all the way around it. Hopefully I've managed to get all of them on it. So yeah, hopefully that should turn out alright. I did go over with some of this paint, which I also got for Poundland, and it's meant to be in metallic gold, but I don't really know if it's really touched it as much. Do you see what I mean? Yeah, but I'm still gonna stick them on and see what it looks like. I'm gonna be using super glue for this. Just put the odd little blodge on and put it all the way around it. So so I'm gonna start with that. I might show you another little thing that I'm gonna do after I've done this. So I'll see you soon. So I finished it. Yeah, so all the butterflies around the edges. Yeah, it's looking nice. Yeah, so that's that's that one done. So now all this is going to be is it's just to make things look nice, sort of thing. Put this, you can have this in the middle of your table, or you could have it I don't know, on like a unit or what have you, or even a side. But yeah, I've got one of these picture photo things from Poundland. Obviously, this was on offer for 50p. So I'm just going to be placing this inside there, and then you can have it in the middle of the table. So I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. So that's that done. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it looks like. So can you give me a thumbs up? Comment below, let me know what you think, or if there's anything you would like to see me try and do. Yeah, make sure you share and make this video go viral, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on notifications if you want to see more stuff like this, and I shall see you all next time. So bye for now.